So what's up, guys? It's been a while, but back messing with the Civic. It's been down for a while. Reason being is it wasn't registered or anything, so I had no plates, whatever. So I got it back. I got it registered now, so I can drive it, everything. I just installed my front new tie rods, the extended ones. My old ones, I didn't trust the welder that did them, honestly. So I got them rewelded, they're installed, got the car aligned today at Action. So we're good to go on that. What I'm gonna be doing though, I'll show you guys, is this is the passenger fender. I have a replacement OEM one. This was an aftermarket one. But what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna sand this down for now. I'm gonna take the rust off and throw a black primer because I don't feel like changing the fender yet until I can officially paint the car. But I'm also gonna get, because this is spray paint. This is the OEM fender for this side I already have. I have a replacement for that one, but I'm gonna just sand that down like I said and get the rust off and throw a primer on it. I'm gonna leave the bumper like that because I don't want to throw paint. So when I paint it, it's not a hassle. But yeah, the front getting in line today, -10, basically even front, both fronts, and the rear was at -12. That's how it's looking. So let's see, let's get this sanded down, and then I'm gonna wash the car because it's been sitting for a long time now. So you can see we're sanding all that rust down, getting it down to the metal so I can throw, the primer and at least the spray paint for now on this fender. Since this isn't the one that I'm gonna keep, I don't really care. But it's pretty easy. I got 80 grit, so it's sanding it down super quick. Then I'm gonna finish it off with it's still high, like a 200 I think, or 120 grit, I don't know. So you can see I got most most of the rust out of the fender. Just need this part. I'm gonna sand, this is not rusted, but I'm gonna sand it down to just respray with the other primer that I have, and then you should be good to go. All right, so I got it down to what's necessary. All the rust taken off, and then I was gonna sand all that down, but it has no rust at all. It's just that primer that came with a sock. So now I'm just gonna cover the wheel and block off whatever I don't want painted. I'm not gonna be too tedious with it. Then I'm gonna spray I have a primer for it. I gotta go buy the normal black paint. Then I should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Start spraying the top of the fender with the black primer. And like I said, I didn't really cover anything with masking tape. I just put it, I put a tissue on the headlight actually, because I'm gonna redo the housing of the headlight. So I don't care too much. Since I was so lazy and I didn't mask off this side, I didn't even think about it for some reason. I got paint all over the door edge, which I can lightly sand down when I get fine sandpaper, but it's gonna let this dry and do one more coat probably, and then get the normal paint to paint over it. So I got, it's still drying. I just put the second coat on there, and I did have masking tape in fact. So there's that. Just gotta get the normal black and I'll be good. Let me tell you, this looks like complete shit. Luckily, well, this is why I didn't do it on the fenders that I'm gonna put on the car. It was just because I was bored and wanted to, you know, I guess have a little project and stuff. And I got overspray everywhere. Look at this. So it's like this side doesn't look too bad, but the sun is not hitting it. And this is the overspray. So I just gotta like compound that down or polish it down. That'll be fine. But meh, looks fine. But this was the one that, you know, the color match, or yeah, the color match Honda, whatever paint shit they sell at AutoZone. Look at this. This shit looks blue as fuck. And then I have the overspray right there, which looks like ass. But this has like so much more blue than the Night Block Pearl. But whatever. It was just because I was bored. Doesn't look terrible for now. But hopefully got it registered and everything. And I get to take the car out soon, you know. It's fun to drive. It feels good to drive it again. But definitely got to put the other fenders on and get it painted properly. That's why I didn't spray paint the bumper, because I didn't want to mess that up, because I don't feel like buying another one. But yeah, that's that's the update for now. Civic with spray painted fenders.